Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Fifth type, branching instruction set or control transfer instruction set. Total 17 instruction. In part 1 video we already discussed 10 instructions, and the remaining 7 instruction we will discuss the part 2 video. In this video total 17 and 11th to 17th instruction. Here the 4th instruction related to compare the two data, and 2 instruction for to decrement the data and to check the status, and the last one for unconditional jump. Okay, total 17. Part 1 video we already discussed 10 instructions. In part 2 video 7 instructions. First we will discuss the 11th instruction, CJNE A comma direct offset. CJNE means compare direct byte. Direct byte means the given 8-bit memory address location data to accumulator. Jump if result is not equal. Compare direct byte. Direct byte means the given 8-bit memory address location data. That data to accumulator. Jump if not equal. Now to check these two conditions, the accumulator content with the direct memory address location data, if both data are not same means jump if not equal. Now this condition will be satisfied, and then jump to the given memory address location. Okay. Example, CJNE A, 50H, absent. Here absent be 256 memory address locations. That is, address will be 8-bit. Jump to the given memory address location. First we have to initialize what is the data in A register and what is the data in memory address location. Example, MOV A comma hash 07H and MOV memory 50H comma 09H. Compare direct byte to accumulator. Direct byte data. Direct byte means the given 8-bit memory address location data 09 compare with the accumulator content, accumulator 07. Now to compare these two data, jump if not equal. The both data are not equal means now this condition will be satisfied, and jump to the given memory address location. Jump to the given memory address location. Now here the both data are not same. Okay, or not same means now this condition will be satisfied, and jump to the given memory address location. Now this address will be moved to program counter. Now the program counter, it will execute that particular memory address location data. Suppose this condition is unsatisfied. This condition is unsatisfied. Now it will execute the next memory address location of the program. Next memory address location data will be executed. And 12th instruction CJNE A comma hash data comma offset, and this is for CJNE A comma hash means compare immediate data to accumulator jump if not equal, both compare the two data. Here accumulated with the direct memory address location data. Here compare accumulated with the immediately given 8-bit data. Now to check both data equal or not. If both data equal, okay, equal means this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location. Suppose the both data are not equal, okay, now this condition will be satisfied and jump to the given memory address location. Now the program counter, this memory will be moved to the program counter. Now the program counter it will execute this memory address location. Okay, this is the concept of compare the accumulated with the immediately given 8-bit data. Example, MOV A comma hash 0FH and then CJNE A comma hash 0FH comma offset. Okay, here accumulated data 0F and immediately given data 0F. Okay, now to compare these two data. Okay, and to check the condition if both data equal or not. Now this case the both data equal, so this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location data. Suppose accumulated data 0E and immediately given data 0F. Now to compare these two data, both data are not equal. Okay, not equal means this condition will be satisfied. This condition satisfied means jump to the given memory address location. Now this memory will be moved to program counter. Now the program counter it will execute this memory address location data. Okay. This is the concept of compare the two data. One data in accumulator and this one, the second data will be direct memory address location. And this one, first data in accumulator, the second data will be immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. Next, 13th instruction CJNE RN comma hash data comma offset. This is also compare the two data. Data 1 in register, any working register R02, R7 and second data immediately given 8-bit data. Now to compare these two data. If both data are not equal, so this condition will be satisfied and jump to the given memory address locations. Suppose the both data are equal, now this condition will be unsatisfied and execute the next memory address location of the program. Here compare compare immediate data to register data. Jump if not equal. Example, CJNE or 5 hash 0CH offset. Jump to which memory address location? Suppose this condition is satisfied. First, we have to initialize what is the data in R5. Register for that MOV R5. Here Rn means Rn equal to R0 to R7. Any working registers. Here register R5. First we have to initialize what is the data in register R5. Move immediate A, 0AH. Okay. In register R5 0A and CJNE R5 hash 0CH offset. Now it will compare R5 register data with immediately given 8-bit data. Here R5 register data 0A and immediately given data 0C. Now to compare these two data, both are not equal. Equal means this condition satisfied and jump to the given memory address location. And jump to, suppose here, now it will check some other conditions. Okay, or it will execute this memory address location data. Now this address will be moved to program counter when this condition is satisfied. Now the program counter, it will execute this memory address location data. Suppose both data are same. This condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means the program counter, it will execute the next memory address location data. Okay. Next 14 instruction, CJNE at the rate of RI, hash data, offset. This is also compare indirect memory address location data with immediately given 8-bit data, and to check the condition if both data are not equal. So this condition will be satisfied and jump to the given memory address location. At that time the program counter, it will execute this memory address location data. Suppose the both data are not, so both data equal, so this condition will be unsatisfied and execute the next memory address location. Okay. Example, here CJN is compare immediate data to CPU internal register data, and to check the condition jump if not equal. Example, CJNE at the rate of, here R1. Here RI means CPU register. CPU register means internal CPU register. We have to use only two register, either R0 or R1 register, not some other register. R2 to R7, not. We cannot use. Okay, we have to use RI means internal register, R0 or R1. Okay, we are CJNE at the rate of R1, hash immediately given data 0 b h. Okay, first we have to initialize what is the register address, internal register address. For that we will use MOV R1 comma hash 30h. Okay, data is not available directly. The data will be available in memory. The memory will be available internal register. Okay, now this is the address. Address will be initialized in internal register R1. In memory, in this memory, the data suppose 07h. Okay, data will be available memory. The memory will be available internal register. So data is not directly available. Okay, at the rate of R1 means immediately given data. Compare immediately given data with indirect register memory address location data. Indirect register memory address location data. Here indirect memory address location data 07 and immediately given data 0b. Now to compare these two data here and to check the condition if both data equal or not. Here 07 and this is for 0b. Both data are not equal. So this condition will be satisfied. Now this condition satisfied means jump to the given memory address location. Now the program counter sequence will be moved to this memory address location. It will execute from this memory. Suppose both data same. Okay, immediately given data and indirect register memory address location data. If both data are same, now this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location data. Execute the next memory address location data. Okay, all the four instructions compare the two datas. In first instruction compare accumulator with the direct memory address location, and here compare accumulator with the immediately given 8-bit data, and this will compare registered data with the immediately given 8-bit data, and the fourth one compare indirect register memory address location data compare with the immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, if after comparison, if both data are not same means jump to the given memory address location. At that time the program counter address will be changed to this memory. Now it will execute from that memory address location data. If both data are same means this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location of the program. Okay, any doubt? Okay. And 15th instruction DJNZ or n comma offset. Decrement register content. Decrement register content. Jump if not 0. If not 0. Example DJNZ R3 comma offset. Here DJNZ means decrement the given register content. After that it will check whether this register will be 0 or not. If not 0, okay, if register content is not 0, jump to the given memory address location. Jump to the given memory address location. Example, first we have to initialize what is the data in R3 register. MOV R3 hash 05H hash 05H. Now decrement DJLZ R3 jump to here or jump to here itself. Jump to WAN. Suppose jump to here means we can jump to this memory address location. Here MOV R3 hash 05. Now 05 data to move R3 register. Now to decrement the R3 register content single times. After that result to check whether it is 0 or not. Okay. Now decrement R3. Now register R5. Register R3 equal to 05. After this one, it will decrement the register content 04. Now this result will be checked whether it is R3 register 0 or not. No 0 means this condition will be satisfied and jump to the given memory address location. Jump to this memory address locations. Suppose this condition satisfied. Okay, now decrement. Okay, now to decrement the register content. If register content is 0 means now this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means it will execute the next memory address location data. Suppose this condition satisfied means now jump to given memory address location. At that time the program counter will be changed the sequence to this memory address location. After that it will execute this memory address location. This is the concept of decrement the register content and to check the condition whether it is 0 or not. Okay. Next one, 16th instruction DJLZ direct offset. Direct offset. This is for decrement direct byte data. Okay, jump if not 0. Example, DJLZ, your direct address, suppose the 50H, offset. Okay, decrement the given direct memory address location data. It will not decrement the address, it will decrement the given memory address location data. Okay, after decrement, it will check the condition whether that memory address location data 0 or not. If not 0, this condition will be satisfied. Satisfied means jump to the given memory address location. Now the program counter will be change sequence to this memory address locations, the given memory address location. Otherwise, now to decrement the given memory address location data. After decrement, this memory address location data is 0. Now this condition will be unsatisfied. This condition will be unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location of the program. Okay. Example, MOV. First we have to initialize what is the data in memory 50H. Hash 01H. After that, to give DJNZ 50H comma offset. Okay. In 50H, this is a memory. In this memory data 01. Now to decrement this memory address location data. DJNZ means here the given memory address 50. In this memory address location data 01. Now it will decrement single times. 01 minus 01. Now result is 0. Now to check the result whether it is 0 or not. Now result will be 0. So this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means it will execute the next memory address location data. Suppose this is for 7. 7 means now to decrement the given 8-bit memory address location data. After decrement in memory address data 06. So result is not 0. Now this condition will be satisfied. Satisfied means jump to the given memory address location. Now the program counter will be transferred sequence to this memory address location. After that it will execute from that memory address location data. This is the concept of decrement the register data and memory address location data. After decrement it will check the condition whether it is 0 or not. If result is no 0, this condition will be satisfied and jump to the given memory address locations. Suppose after decrement the result is 0, this condition will be unsatisfied. Unsatisfied means execute the next memory address location of the data. This is the concept of decrement the register data and memory address location data, not some other data. Okay. Last instruction 17 JMP at the rate of A plus DP TR. Jump. This is for unconditional. Unconditional jump. Indirect. Indirect. Yeah. JMP means unconditional jump. Without any condition checking, it will jump to the given memory address location. Here the memory is not directly available. The memory will be indirect. Okay, here memory is not directly initialized. The memory will be available register pair. Register pair. Okay. Example JMP at the rate of A, DP, TR. First, we have to initialize what is the data pointer address and what is the data in accumulator. It will add accumulator data with data pointer data. After that, it will jump to the given memory. So the memory is not directly available. The memory will be available indirect in register pair. Okay, first we have to initialize MOV DP TR comma hash 8500H. This is for DP N and this is for DP H. These two represent for data pointer. This is the 16-bit address or 16-bit data. Okay, it will be initialized with the data pointer and then MOV A comma hash 07H. 07H. Here in 8500 some data will be available 01 and 01 data 02 and 03 02 data 03 like that 07 data 08. Okay, this data will be loaded into that particular memory address location. Now to jump this memory address location. Now to jump this memory address location, for that we have to use this type of instruction without any condition checking. Directly jump to this memory to this memory. At that time we can use this type of instruction. Here memory is not directly given. Memory will be available indirect. Indirect means register will be available. Okay. Now jump to this memory. At that time, we have to initialize the accumulator 07 and data point we have to initialize 8500. After that, we can use JMP at the rate of A plus DPTR. Okay. DPTR address is 8500 at the rate of A, that is accumulator address 07. Now address is 8507. Now jump to this memory address location. Jump to 8507 memory address location. Without any condition checking, it will jump to this memory address location. Here memory is not directly given. Memory will be indirectly available. This is for unconditional jump. Without any condition checking, it will jump to that particular memory address. For that, we can use this type of instructions. Okay? Any doubt? In branching or control transfer instruction set, total 17 instructions. In part 2 video, we discussed 7 instructions. Compare, decrement, and unconditional jump. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.